Hey y'all, I am fixing to make supper, but I'm gonna make such a fancy supper you're not gonna believe it. So y'all come with me. We're just gonna peel these potatoes. Hannah and Caden's almost home. The potatoes are gonna take longer than everything else, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these started before they get here. I got 3 pretty good sized potatoes. I'm making potato puree. You're gonna start by getting your potatoes peeled, cut up into bite-sized chunks, and then we're gonna go rinse them off in the sink. Some of y'all missed the other video when I was talking about how I bought a house. So I'm so excited to tell you that the day after Christmas, I'm packing. The day after that, I'm moving. I'm gonna have some help. But I can't pack before the day before I move because I'm having my whole family here for Christmas Eve. It's probably gonna be, if I'm guessing, probably 30, 40 people are gonna be here. So I have to keep it nice looking. So I was like, well, if I'm gonna have to wait till the last minute, or literally the day before I move to pack, I'm gonna have to use those movers for more than just moving. So they're gonna help me pack and move. I'm so excited. It's gonna put me a little closer to work. I've been waiting a long time for this, and I cannot wait to show y'all the new place. I've been having some renovations done over the last couple of months, and oh my goodness, it's coming along so well. It's so pretty. I got my potatoes rinsed off, and I put just a little bit of water over them, and I'm gonna put them on the stove to boil. I'll come back when we're ready to do something else. I can't wait to show y'all this fancy dinner. I just remembered that a friend of mine from my small group at church had brought over some punch one day, and there was some left. So since we're having such a fancy dinner, I thought I'd make the punch. I'm gonna have to get her recipe too because it is delicious. I'm having to get it to where it'll fit. There we go. Luckily, I'm a ginger ale drinker, so I already have the ginger ale. That's what it looks like right now, but it'll get slushy in a little bit. Okay, my potatoes are fork tender. So in order to make my potato puree, I need butter, mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. And technically, to make it a puree, I should use my hand blender, but I'm gonna use my trusty masher. Get the butter down in there first and let it be melted because I didn't have any out. I would show y'all, oh, no, look at that. I would show y'all what else I'm doing, but some of this is like top secret family recipes that I can't share, but they're so fancy. I think my butter's had time to get soft, so I'm gonna put salt and pepper in my potato puree and mayonnaise. And then we're just gonna mash it. We're going to start you off with some of our signature punch in a Christmas glass and some silverware.
This feels really fancy.
First up, we have our golden poultry medallions.
This looks fancy. This looks really fancy.
It is fancy. We don't usually eat this fancy.
This is my kind of fancy dinner.
Very fancy golden poultry medallions.
They're very rare to find. They're also shaped in dinosaur form.
And here is your signature tomato dipping sauce.
Thank you.
For your medallion. Potato puree.
Delicioso.
And now we have some savory emerald bean saute. Fancy, fancy. We have our seasonal orchard medley with a cream on top. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this fine meal with these fine folks right here. So if y'all want to make a fancy, most extravagant dinner for your family, fix you some poultry medallions, golden, what do I call them?
Golden nuggets.
Dino nuggets. Some potato puree, some emerald
Beans.
some kind of beans, and some orchard medley with a cream topping. We're gonna eat. I love you. Stay classy.